How to download NFL app on Samsung Smart TV. To enjoy NFL content on your Samsung Smart TV, you can download and install the NFL app by following these steps. Step number 1. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the main menu. Step number 2. Navigate to the apps section. Use the directional pad on your remote to select apps and press enter. Step number 3. Search for the NFL app. In the Apps section, select the search icon, magnifying glass, in the top right corner. Use the on-screen keyboard to type NFL and select Done. Step number 4, install the NFL app. From the search results, select the NFL app. Choose Install to download and install the app on your TV. Step number 5, open and sign in. Once installed, open the NFL app from your apps list. Sign in with your NFL account's credentials to access content. If the NFL app isn't available in your region or on your specific TV model, consider using a compatible streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or Apple TV to access NFL content. These devices can be connected to your Samsung TV and offer access to the NFL app.